Well, looks like there is trouble in Govinda and wife Sunita Ahuja's married life once again. Govinda and Sunita, who were rumored to be heading for a divorce earlier this year after 37 years of marriage, first denied the reports, but now the reports have started flooding again. Yet again, rumors have resurfaced that Sunita has filed for divorce from Govinda in the Bandra family court, and this was done on December 5th, 2024. According to a report in Hotfly, Sunita filed the case under Section 13(1), 1A and 1B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, citing adultery, cruelty and desertion as grounds for divorce. Reportedly, the court summoned Govinda, but he failed to appear in person until a notice to show cause was issued in May 2025. The report further stated that since June, Govinda and Sunita have been trying to resolve their issues through court-mandated counseling. While the actor's wife has just been appearing in court in person, Govinda has been absent. At the time of filing this report, it was unclear whether he has been attending the counseling sessions virtually. Earlier, Sunita reacted to divorce rumors with Govinda and she told a news channel, "पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है? पॉजिटिव है मुझे पता है. मैं सोचती हूँ कुत्ते हैं लोग भौंकेंगे." Further she said, "जब तक आप मेरे या गोविंदा के मुंह से कुछ ना सुन लो तो आप ये मत सोचो क्या है क्या नहीं है." Further, in February this year, Govinda's lawyer, who was also the actor's family friend, told a news portal that Sunita had filed for divorce about 6 months ago, but the couple later resolved the differences and are now back together. The lawyer clearly stated that they are not getting divorced. He also said that they do stay together. The lawyer said, "We also travelled to Nepal during New Year and performed puja together at Pashupati Nath Mandir. Everything is fine between them now. Such things keep happening between married couples, but they are going strong and will always be together." While the two have remained tight-lipped about the rumors, Govinda's manager has now reacted to the shocking allegations and defended the actor. Govinda's manager, Shashi, told a news portal that every couple goes through minor disagreements and that these are old matters which some people and the media are now trying to sensationalize for their own benefit. Reacting to Sunita's accusations after she filed for divorce under Section 13(1), 13(1)A, 1B of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, citing adultery, cruelty and desertion as grounds, Shashi said, "गोविंदा जैसा इंसान किसी पर हाथ नहीं उठा सकता, चिल्ला नहीं सकता, तो ये क्रूअल्टी जैसे क्लेम्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? आई हैव वर्कड क्लोजली विथ हिम एंड वो इंसान बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है जैसी उसकी इमेज बनाई जा रही है. ये सब मुद्दे पास्ट की कहानियां हैं जिन पर दोनों मियाँ बीवी साथ में काम भी कर रहे हैं." Shashi admitted that Govinda did not appear in court, but added that contrary to reports claiming Sunita's regular presence, she too did not appear except one to file the case. He further stated that Sunita loves Govinda deeply and then the two will remain together forever. He added, "कोई divorce नहीं होने वाला है. They are focusing on their kids, Tina Ahuja and Yashwardhan Ahuja, and their career and marriages instead of this negativity." Shashi said that by invoking such serious sections against Govinda, minor issues are only being unnecessarily exaggerated and spoiling their relationship. Govinda and Sunita tied the knot on March 11, 1987 and have 2 kids together, Tina and Yashwardhan. Well, what are your thoughts on Govinda and Sunita Ahuja's divorce reports getting flooded once again? Let us know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to FPJ Showbiz for more such updates.